What's up, you guys? Alex from the Blessed Carpenter here. I wasn't planning on making a video, but every woodworker needs to see this. This is the most coolest thing ever. You guys know that I've been excited about making the miter stand. So it's middle of the night, I'm all gung-ho, planning it out in my head, trying to go over the board cuts. I'm wanting to write down and draw plans and how I'm going to do it. I found the coolest app in the world. I got to show you guys right now what I'm doing with it. It is the coolest thing ever. You can do so much with this. It's called Moblo. You guys can do so much with this. Watch the stuff that I'm doing with this app. Pro tip, you can only set your unit of measurement in the very beginning of the project. So this one was set to millimeters. This one is set to inches. And I completely made and built the entire miter station right here on this app. Now then, you can build your whole house on this thing, you guys. Check this out. I designed the workshop. So if you're planning on, I'd put the garage, I got to get the exact measurements right now. But you can import your projects you make from other stuff into it. So I can completely move around and design the entire space of the garage right now and lay out the plan for my entire workshop. Here goes the wood stove. I put the wall right here that's behind me. I put the shelving unit right here. Here goes the belt sander, the drill press, the workbench, the table saw, the air compressor. It's super duper cool, you guys. If you want to plan out your design your workshop, this is the app right here. One of the coolest parts about this is once you have your plans and you build your project. Now you can go to right here, it says parts list, and it tells you exactly a list of what boards at what lengths you need. That is absolutely epic right there. Your parts list is, this is so cool, you guys. It's called Moblo. This is what it looks like. Let me see. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm not affiliated with anybody. There's no marketing in this. I just found something really cool. I thought I'd share it with you guys. If anybody knows how to go about getting sponsored, or shoot, I'll take a tool sponsorship someday, or some kind of like affiliate. I don't know. If anybody knows how to do any of that, I know it ain't what you know, it's who you know. So, hey, look out for me. This is pretty cool, though. This is the coolest app I found for designing projects without having to like draw plans on a grid paper. You can do everything right there. It's so epic, you guys. To design your wood shops, this is the app, Moblo.